Hello guys, welcome to our channel BST African Electronic Surgery on a Tuesday 11 April 2023, and we have some kind of jobs, like a unusual job. So I have this job. This came from my best friend who is fixing phones, and this is some kind of data recovery job. So let's see exactly what is inside 2 terabyte hard drive data recovery. He phoned me, he said my hard drive, which I have loaded all the softwares and some applications which I'm using on cell phone flashing, things like that, like all the important files, they are inside this hard drive. So he was using for backing up his system, but it's no longer working. So we have to see if we can help the customer. I never done such kind of repair, but we can attempt to repair this. We can attempt. It's a Toshiba 2 terabytes hard drive. This looks like the external connector. So I'll plug in here. I'll plug into the computer. Plugged in. We must have a light here, but there's no light. If I unplug the hard drive, you can see the light. Plug the hard drive back, the light goes off. Unplug, we have light. Plug the hard drive, the light goes off. That's interesting. So let me unplug the connector here. So you see what this external hard drive is doing. If I unplug the cable, we do have light, the blue light. Plug back the cable, the hard drive, the light goes off. We can eliminate the two. I don't think my problem is from this side, from the external connector, because if I unplug, we do have the light here, but the plug back, the light goes off. And the hard drive is silent. It's not spinning, it's not doing anything. Let's plug back again. The hard drive is silent, not spinning, not doing anything, it's just dead. Unplug the hard drive, the light comes on. Plug the hard drive, the light goes off. Unplug. So what can be faulty here? What can be faulty? Here we don't have too many things on the connector. We have this chip, the controller, we have the USB port, we have the LED, we have like one capacitor, and few small capacitor here. What I'm thinking, because this USB is taking 5 volts from the laptop USB ports to the drive, so I think we have the 5 volts power rail is shorted to ground somewhere along these lines. From this connector to the hard drive, along the way, the 5 volts is shorted to ground. That's what I think. Let's put our test meter on direct mode. Let's check some capacitor. It's not shorted. We have a few more capacitors here. From this connector, I can't see any shorted capacitor. Let's get inside our hard drive. That must be interesting, because myself, I'm eager to know what is the fault here. Let's see. Maybe we can fix this. Maybe. 1 second. Let's take out all the screws. So we have the motherboard with some components, and we have this thing with the rotating disc inside. So what I want to concentrate on the motherboard here. So what do we have? We have this looks like the controller. We have a long chip, like a BIOS chip. We have some capacitors. Here we have another long big chip, which I don't know what it's doing. Another long big chip. Here we have a coil in some capacitors, another coil in some capacitors. I think we have to go under microscope and start checking some things. Okay, let's see now. Let's start by inspecting our board, just to inspect to see if everything is okay, like any sign of damage. All components, but we have this power supply. You can see this coil. This is a coil surrounded by some ceramic capacitors, and we have another power supply here. So what I want to do, I want to check for like short to ground on those coils, which I don't know what voltage they are supplying. So where do I get ground? Okay. Where's our coil here? This is ground, this is plus. I'm checking some capacitors around the coil here. Ground, the other side plus, ground, this capacitor, check on this capacitor, this side is ground, the other side is also shorted to ground. That's not normal. What about the other one? Here plus ground, so this one is shorted, this one, oh, you can't see. This looks nasty. Here ground, here is also ground. So we have, so far we have two shorted capacitors. Let's ignore that. Let's check other capacitors. Even this one is reading a short. So why all those capacitors are reading a short? That's a very good question. Why all three capacitors they are showing a short? This one is showing a short. We have this one here showing a short, and the third one here. And what is this? Looks like water damage, things like. You know what? I have suspicions about this capacitor. I have too much suspicions about this capacitor. Let's try to take it down one by one, those three capacitors, but this one I'm not quite happy about this. I'll try to take it down without water. I'll use a soldering gun. Try to take it down. How can I do it? Our capacitor is out. Yeah. Our capacitor is out. The area looks dirty, but let's check for short on other capacitors. which we are reading short. Here no, and the other one, don't tell me we're lucky just to spot the problem at first. Let's check this one. Easy ground, the other side. So that capacitor was shorted. Well, this side is ground, the other side, this one is ground, this one is the plus sign. So let's replace with another capacitor and see what's going on here. I'll clean this area. Boss, the area looks bad. Okay. Now looks better. So I think what is left is to look for another capacitor and we replace and we see what's going on. Okay, let's see now. We just took out the capacitor. Now we need to replace this capacitor. Let's see. We don't know the exact value of the capacitor, but I'll try to use one from the laptop motherboard. I can take any ceramic capacitor on the power line. You know those 19-volt ceramic capacitor. Let's take one here. Hopefully we'll be able to fix this. We need to lower, we need very low air here, otherwise the capacitor will blow away. Let's see if we can be able to fix this hard drive. But I'm happy there's no more short again. All good. Our capacitor is now in place. The problem you can't see. Unless if I go back again under microscope. What I want to do, I want to check for shorts. Let's put back and test. Let's put back everything and test and test our hard drive. Maybe we're lucky. Maybe we're lucky. You know the feeling when the customer is putting too much trust on you. I'm seeing your videos every day. I know you can fix this. You help me to fix this. So that's the situation here. That's the situation. We have one more screw missing here, but that's not the story. Let's see now. I'll plug in and we'll see if that light will come. You see the light? I can hear the spinning sound. Let's see. Let's plug in the USB cable. You can see the light here. It's no longer going off. So let's see if you can see something on the screen. And is this one? It's working. You see? 1.81 terabyte. You can open, but there are not too many files. Let me unplug this. New volume disappeared. Plug back. Let's wait. The blue light is flashing, and you can see new volume H. So everything looks okay here. So everything looks okay. You can see the blue light is still on. It's no longer going off. So that was the shorted capacitor on the 5 volts power rail. So that's how you can diagnose the fault. So our 2 terabyte hard drive is fixed. I'm happy, the customer will be happy also. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and see you on the next repair. Bye.